What's up? Liz Wilcox here. You are listening to episode 76 of the Email Sound Booth podcast. Holy moly, I feel so lucky. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today, we are going to talk about how to give your affiliates swipe emails that they actually want to send. So we've all been there, we've tried to be an affiliate for someone. They send out the swipes, the things, oh, you can take this and send it out. And you just know everybody and their mother is going to be saying the same thing, sending out the same emails. And honestly, there's nothing special about these swipe emails, right? And when you start your affiliate program, or maybe you already have one, you don't want your affiliates to experience that. You want your affiliates to be excited about the emails that you're sending out, right? Yeah, we do. We definitely do. And I've been told that, my swipes are some of the reason why it's so easy to sell my products like email marketing membership or the annual pass, because my swipes are just different. But if you were to look at my swipes, they're not that much different than other people's, but there are a few things I do differently to make sure that you as an affiliate can vary the content from someone else as my affiliate, and you as the affiliate say, yes, this is a no-brainer. Of course, I'm going to use these swipes. And of course, I'm going to sell Liz's annual pass, whatever, right? So when it comes to the swipes, the first thing I want you to know is, how can you make this as easy as ABC 1, 2, 3, right? The affiliate is only as good as the materials you give them, right? Not every affiliate you have is going to be this amazing email marketing copywriter. So you've got to kind of step it up when it comes to your swipes. So within your email swipes, I just recommend a few things that will jump off the page for people so that they use it. Number one, each swipe that you send out should say who sends this out. For example, with my annual pass, I have different types of people. Some people, they just joined the annual pass, they're really excited. So I've written a few swipes from that example. It says, best sent out by people who are brand new to the program, but know email marketing is a win-win for their people. And then I know that there are affiliates out there that have been in my program for a long time. So there are a few swipes for them that say, best used by someone who's been in the program for a long time. Now, I vary those swipes, right? If you've been in the program a long time and you are promoting the program, I'm sending an email about all the wins you've had in the program or why you've stuck around, right? That doesn't make sense for someone who's brand new to the program, a brand new affiliate. So they have a different email about, how they discovered the program and why they're so excited and why they want other people to join too. Those are two different emails because they're two different people, right? Two different types of affiliates. So always, as you're writing your swipes, think about who would be best to send these out and have swipes that are varied for the different kinds of affiliates you have. Now, you also want to tell them when to send it out, right? I have swipes that go in a pre-launch, right? Send this out a week, 2 weeks before. Send this out the day it launches. Send this out the last day. You might think these are obvious things, but they're not. You've got to make, again, ABC 1, 2, 3. Think Michael Jackson. Think the Jackson 5 right here. You've got to make this as easy as A, B, C for your affiliate. So tell them when to send it out. The next thing is, with your emails, give multiple subject lines. Oh my gosh, I can't stand when I see, and you'll likely relate to me, when I see this big event and everyone's got the same subject lines. Everyone's promoting it. It's got the same subject lines, the same content in there. So give multiple subject lines. Also, if you don't have, 10, 20 swipes for people, make a video. This is what I do. Make a video and walk them through each email and tell them how they could vary it and say, I know you don't want to send an email out that sounds exactly like so-and-so. right? And so here's how you can vary this email to make it sound more like you. Give them advice on it. Make them a quick video and you can just put it at the top of your Google Doc. Okay. Also, if you have the extra time, make examples, right? Hey, this is the swipe. Here's an example written from this perspective. Now, this will be really familiar with you if you're in my $9 a month email marketing membership. I give examples of every single template and swipe that I do. So give examples. You can write these examples for people. You can pull from real life examples, whatever you want to do, but it's worth the extra time. Now, I've kind of hinted towards this, but give more emails than you need. If it's a 5-day launch, don't just give 5 emails. Give 8, 9, 10, however many you can. Think 2 to 5 extra. That way, not everyone is sending out the exact same emails. Some emails are going to resonate with this kind of affiliate. Some emails will resonate with that. Take the extra time to write these out. And last, if all else fails, or if you really want to ramp things up, you really want to impress people, which I suggest you do this every once in a while anyway, be willing to get on the phone or talk over Voxer with your affiliates for maximum success and to help them kind of understand how they can use the swipes to their max benefit. All right, that's it. That's how to give your affiliates swipe emails that they'll actually use. I'm really excited for you. Good luck with your affiliate program. Holler at me if you've got any questions. As always, you can find lots of swipes, lots of examples in email marketing membership. It's $9 a month. I'm going to link that in the show notes. Would love to have you in there. I'm Liz Wilcox. You are awesome, and I'll see you on the next episode. If I knew how to end this. 3, 2, 1. Goodbye.